Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Valley Christian Kindergarten Stadium and our annual beanbag toss. Yes, as you can see, we've got quite a crowd of spectators gathered here today to watch the fun. There's not many live sporting events going on, what with COVID-19 these days, so you may want to invite the family to watch. Well, now let me introduce you to our master of ceremonies, Billy the Bean.
Hi there, boys and girls. Great to see everybody, and it's an honor to be here and to host these ceremonies, Mrs. Neve.
No, the honor is ours, Billy. Billy, can you kind of fill in the audience as to what exactly is a beanbag toss?
Well, first you need to know what a beanbag is.
Oh, well, I suppose that would be important.
Here's one now. A beanbag is a bag that's filled with beans.
Okay, that makes sense. I can feel the beans in this bag.
Yes, beans like me, but much smaller.
And they're kind of soft. The bean bag isn't hard. That's nice. And if we took these beans out, they'd probably grow. And they could even be Great Northern beans.
Could be, Mrs. Neve. Well, this is your beanbag, and our beanbags in this competition do have color words on them.
Ah, yes. So you've got green, right? And we've got red, and we've got orange, and we've got black. Of course, there is brown,
blue, purple.
Let me get it so you can see all the letters.
Purple.
And we've got one more. The color of the sun.
Yellow.
Okay, we've got our beanbags assembled. Now, how do you play the game, Billy?
Well, the object of the game is to toss the beanbag and have it land in that red basket back there.
Ah, yes. Any special rules?
Yes, you have to stand right here at this line.
Okay, so you can't get too close?
No.
Anything else?
You can use the white cabinet to bounce the beanbag into the basket.
Okay, so I can kind of do a bank shot type of thing?
Yes, that is legal, Mrs. Neve.
Okay, I'll go ahead and demonstrate. I'll go ahead and use a purple one. Let's see, I've got to be back here now. Billy, I'm right-handed, so I'm going to put you down.
Okay.
Let's see how I do. Got it here. I'm at the line. Oh, yeah! All righty. So there's our demonstration. As you can see, the crowd is going wild. I think we understand how to play. Billy, would you please introduce our competitors?
I would be happy to, Mrs. Neve. Our first competitor is a crowd favorite. It is Chef Yum Yum.
Here he is, Chef Yum Yum, wearing the red and white. Oh, let me get him here so you can see him. Oh, here I am, Mrs. Neve.
Welcome to our competition, Chef Yum Yum. Glad to be here. I throw a lot of beans around the kitchen, so this should be a piece of cake.
We'll see about that. Okay, Chef Yum Yum, thank you. And our other competitor, Billy?
Our other competitor is another kindergarten favorite, Sally the Snake.
And here is our friend, Sally.
Hi there, boys and girls.
Let me get her on the hand.
So good to see everybody. Have you been working on this? Oh, yes. I've been working out with my bean bags. I think I'm ready. Okay.
All right. Our competitors are ready. And now it's time for the coin toss to see who goes first. I have a quarter right here. The quarter, if you recall, is worth 25 cents. Here, I'll get it in the camera there. We've got the one side with George Washington on it. We're calling that the head side since that's his head. And then, of course, the other side with the eagle. Try to get the eagle straight for you. There we go, kind of. Woohoo. Okay, there's the eagle, and we call that the tails. I guess because eagles have tails. I don't know. So if it lands on heads after I toss it, Chef Yum Yum, you will be going first.
Okay.
And if it lands on tails, Sally, that means you go first.
Okay, Mrs. Neve.
All right, here we go. And heads it is. Our quarter worth 25 cents landed on heads. So Chef Yum Yum, that means you get to go first.
Oh, wonderful, Mrs. Neve.
I'll have to put Billy down. All right. Of course, you have to cheer him on.
Here I go. I will start with the blue.
Okay, here he goes. You got to stand back here.
All right, I remember the rules. Okay, here we go. And, oh, so close.
Try another one.
Here we go. I got the purple. And, yay!
Are you cheering? Brown is next. Oops. There's the color word brown. Oh, spoiler alert. These are going to be spelling words in a couple of weeks, so you'll want to be learning those for sure.
Okay, here I go, Mrs. Neve. Oh, so close. Do I get any points for that?
No, I'm sorry. It has to be in the basket.
Okay. I'll try the yellow one next. Yay!
Nice shot, Chef Yum Yum.
And now the black.
Oops, let's get that color word so the boys and girls can see it. Black.
All right. Here I go. Yay!
The crowd is going wild. And now, orange.
Alrighty. Oh,
He's in good form, folks.
and yay!
Wow. Next color is red.
Okay. Oh, deep breath. Okay. Here I go. And yay!
Wow, he's good. And our next color, green.
Alrighty, here we go. And the one, and the two, and the... Yes, another one!
Wow, Chef Yum Yum. Let's see, and I think you have tossed all the bean bags. Let's go ahead and count up and see what his final score is.
All right, I'll wait here.
Be right back. And of course, you'll be able to help me count. Let's just bring the basket over here. Chef Yum Yum got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bean bags in the basket. Sally, this could be tough to beat.
That's what I'm thinking.
Well, let's go ahead and make a note of this on our scoreboard. Okay, we've got Chef Yum Yum here, and he got 6 bean bags in. So we will write that down. Chef Yum Yum with 6. Okay, Sally, you've got your work cut out for you.
I'm ready, Mrs. Neve.
Let's get our area set up here. I will take out these bean bags from the basket, put the basket back, and bring back the brown and the blue bean bags. Okay. Sally, are you ready?
Ready, Mrs. Neve.
Okay, let's get her ready here.
Okay. I think I'll start with the green.
Of course. Okay, here's the green bean bag.
Got it.
Okay, Sally, she's lining it up. And,
Ooh!
nice toss, Sally. She's off to a good start.
Blue, please.
Okay, here she goes.
Yay!
Wow. Chef Yum Yum, she's giving you a run for your money.
Brown is next. There's the brown.
Okay, here we go.
Yay!
The crowd is going wild.
Now black, please.
Okay, black.
Oh!
Whee! Wow, she's good.
Purple, please.
Purple it is.
Here I go.
Woo! That one was close.
I know it could have gone either way. Now the yellow.
Okay, yellow it is.
Woo!
Oh dear. Well, you had been getting so many of them. You're doing great, don't worry.
Thank you. Okay, orange, please.
Orange with the O-R special sound at the beginning, or orange.
Okay, here I go. Yay!
Well done, Sally. You've got one more bean bag to go, and it's the red.
Okay. Oh,
This is close. This is for the win.
Here I go.
Yay! Well, Sally, well done. We'll get the bean bags. We'll do the official count and see who our winner is. All righty. Here we are. Counting them up here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. She got 7 bean bags in the basket. Oh my goodness. Well, let's put that up on the scoreboard. Chef Yum Yum had 6, and Sally the Snake has 7. Boy, this was a real nail biter here. An incredibly close score. But Sally the Snake wins it because 7 is more than 6. Yay! Whoops, get it in the picture there. Well, let's have both of our contestants come on up. We've got Sally and Chef Yum Yum here.
Congratulations, Sally, on a game well played. Oh, thank you, Chef Yum Yum. You gave me a good game, too. It was a very even competition. Thank you, Chef Yum Yum. Oh, you're welcome, Sally. I would shake hands with you if you had hands. I understand.
Okay, well, both of our players played extremely well, and talk about good sports and showing the love of Jesus to each other.
Thank you, boys and girls. Thank you.
Give them a big hand as they exit the arena. Wow, that was sure fun. Now, if you have bean bags or something at home, you might want to do a bean bag toss. You could even use balls or something like that, so it doesn't have to be a bean bag, but there's something you need to do first before you play. You get to do a bean bag toss activity page. I mean, it's seeds and plants. We're growing beans. We have to do the bean bag stuff, right? So I'm going to move the camera over to the other side, and I'll just explain to you how to do this fun bean bag toss activity sheet. Okay, here I go. Let's hope I don't disconnect the camera again. Alrighty. I don't have to move it very far, so this shouldn't be too bad. We'll get it back over here at our carpet. Let's adjust there we go. All right, very good. Now let's get the beanbag activity page. Got our cute little bears playing, and as you can see, on each beanbag there is subtraction equations. Now, subtraction is different than addition, of course. Adding, you're putting things together, but subtractions, things are being taken away. You can tell it's subtraction because it has the minus sign there instead of a plus sign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin our paper up there. Here, we'll turn that way just a little bit. And I will also use a whiteboard because I know it's hard to see. So let's demonstrate how this will work. And I'm realizing I need to grab my whiteboard markers that we were using for the scoreboard. Be right back. Okay. Here I come. Thank you for waiting patiently. Let's go ahead and we're going to draw a beanbag here, like one that's on the page. And I'm going to use the first equation they have here, which is 5 minus 4. Now, 5 is how many you had to begin with. There's a fancy numbers term for that. The first number in a subtraction equation is the minuend. So 5 is your minuend, minus 4, that's how many go away. They call that the subtrahend. Don't worry about it. 5 is how many we had, so I'm going to write had here. 5 minus 4 went, hey, bing, bing, spelling word, right? Went away. Now, you don't need to write that in, of course, on your paper. I'm just showing you how this works as far as the subtraction. So 5 minus 4. Now, they don't have the equal sign in there, so with your pencil, put in the equal sign for them. And then go ahead and write in the answer to 5 minus 4. Now, if you're not sure, of course, you can use some kind of counting thing. You could use pennies, you could use beans, you could use fingers. Now, all of the equations on this paper, the first number, how many you had to begin with, the minuend, there's none bigger than 5. And since you have 5 fingers on one hand, this will work. So I had 5 minus 4. 4 is going to go away. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 1. 1 is my answer. So with your pencil, write in 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Now here's something to watch out for, because I see kids do this sometimes. They start out with how many you had, 5, so they put up their 5 fingers, and then for the minus 4 that go away, instead of going like this and 4 going away, they bring 4 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, like we were adding, and we're not adding. So you don't need this hand at all, because fingers are going away. So 5 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 1. Let's try another one. Let's see. Let's go ahead and draw another bean bag over here. There it is. And I'm going to write another equation. One they have in this bean bag is 5 minus 3. There you go. 5, you had 5, 3 went away. How many are left? So start with 5, that's how many we had. 3 go away. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? We got to be careful there. 2. You're right. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. So write in your 2 with a pencil. Try to get that 2 facing the right way. And don't forget the equal sign. Equals 2. All right. Let's just do one more. And let's do this one right here. And it is 3 minus 3. So remember, the first number, your minuend, is how many you had to begin with. So we had 3 minus 3 go away. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 0, right? So put in the equal sign and then a 0. There we go. Now, you might remember, oh, you know what? It's so close to that line, it's not a 9. Let's bring this line over so you can really tell that's a 0 there. Okay. Remember that rule we learned. When you subtract the same number, you're going to get 0. If it's 5 minus 5, 5 go away, you've got 0. If it's 2 minus 2 go away, it's 0. So if you subtract the same number, you get 0. Keep that in mind. It will help things go faster. Of course, after you get all of the numbers written in, ask somebody at home to check your work, mom or dad or a brother or sister. If everything looks good, then you can start to do the color code on the page there. In the box there is a color code of what color to color the bean bags. And you're looking at the number that you wrote in, your answer, which is called the difference. The answer to a subtraction problem is the difference. The difference in 5 minus 4 is 1. That's the difference. So you can use crayons or markers on these colored pencils if you want, and do a really nice job coloring in the bean bags. So cute. Now, of course, the little bears there, there's no color code for them. You can color them any color you want. Don't forget about the bean bag that's going through the target there where it says bean bag toss. Do a really nice job, and I will give stickers for this one, definitely. So have fun with it, and then after you're done with your activity page, check with mom or dad. See if you can go ahead and do a bean bag toss competition at your house. Maybe you versus a brother or sister, or you or mom or dad could play. But have fun with it. And boys and girls, thanks for being good listeners. God bless you. We will see you next time.